Hi all of you. Today our next topic is bridge. Bridge in StartPro. Go to new project and select the space here. Give a name as bridge. Next. Here you have to choose the add beam option. Finish. Okay. Select the front view. Here there is option of edit. Go to there. Here you just select XZ option. X is 22 and Z is okay 10. Click on OK. Isometric. Here we have the view of the bridge. Just select. Okay. Switch off the grid mode. This is the base plate of this bridge. Okay, you should take midpoints of these two beams. Select control, select them. Give a right click, insert now. Here we have the option of add midpoint. Click on OK. Okay. Next you have to copy these two nodes. Control C and Control V. Copy downwards. -5 downwards. Yeah, this is the points. Go to add beam option. Add those two nodes. Okay. Next go to this option, mesh. Select the node points, corners of your bridge. Here you have to choose the quadrilateral mesh. Click on OK. If you want to change those values, you can change, but I don't want to change, so I can apply directly. Next, again take nodes, copy it, these two nodes, Control C, Control V, copy it in above 5 meters. Click on OK. Go to add beam option, just click on it and add those two nodes. Next we have to merge, we have to connect the nodes with this top point. Why? Because it is a cable bridge. These are the cables. Cables per a bridge. For any type of structure, we have to design first. We have to draw any type of structure. Next, we have to design those as property, load combinations, material, etc. Every project has different types of drawings. Along with the procedure is common, but we have to change the load combinations and loads for a structure. Yes, our structure is completed. This is a cable bridge. We have to see this view in all directions. See the structure, how it changes like this. This is our cable bridge. So here our geometry will be completed, like our drawing will be completed for a structure. Next, go to general option. General option, we have to come to step-by-step process like properties, supports, load combinations and material. First, property. Here we have to apply beams, columns and plates for a slab and cables also. Next, here there is option of define and click on rectangle or circle. First our columns is in circular and I should be take circular columns for here. For circle, our dimensions is 0.45 and should be taken. Add it. Next, go to rectangle. Our beams. Just take the dimensions as 0.3 and 0.3. Click on add option. Close. Next, go to thickness. Thickness of the plate is 0.15. Sorry. For your bridges, we have to take 0.25 to 0.3. So I will select the minimum value 0.25. Add it. Next, close it. Here we have to take the cables for these lines. So go to section database. It will open. Here there is options of Indian angle. Go to angle. Here you have to select the codes of Indian standard 135/65. 135/65 into 12. Click on add option. Close it. Okay. Next, we have to assign this all to the structure. Here circle is for columns. So go to select option. Beams parallel to in y direction. These two are selected. Here assign to selected beams will be selected and assigned. Click on S option. Next, rectangle. Rectangle is for beams of a bridge. So go to beams parallel to X and beams parallel to Z. Here they will be selected. Assign to selected beams. Assign. Click on S. Okay. Next you have to select the cables. Okay, next we have to give the plate thickness. Go to plate cursor and select the plate. Assign to selected plates. Assign. Click on S. Okay. Next is for cables. Just select the cables. Click on control. Yes. All our cables will be selected. Then go to assign to selected beams. Click on assign S. So here we have to give the properties of all the structure members. Next, go to supports. Okay, just select the node. First, you have to create fix the support. Then click on support. Select the nodes. Click on assign. Yes. So our supports will be completed. Next, go to loads and definitions. Definitions, here you have to select the vehicle definition. Click on add button. Here you have to give the vehicle loadage of 80, distance of 2. Why? Because we have to take the load per 2 meter distance is 80. Click on add button. Next, we have to minimize this. Moments, this okay, next go to load case details. In load case details, select the dead load as DL. Click on add option. Next, go to none option. Here we have to use the plate load. Click on add option and close. So go to dead load, add. Sulfate is of -1 in y direction. Add it and close. Next, our next load is plate load. Click on plate load. Weight is -25. That means concrete. Specific weight of concrete. In GY direction, add it. Close. You have to assign those things. Click on assign. Yes. Assign to view. Select the load. Assign to view. Assign. Okay. Our loads and definitions will also be completed. Next, go to analyze. No, I'm sorry. Next, go to materials. You have to assign the materials like this. Select the concrete. Assign to view. Assign. Yes. Aluminum. Okay, these are the cables, so we have to use this for steel or aluminum. I have to use the aluminum. Then assign. Click on S. So here we have to give in the materials of the structure. Materials to the structure. Next, analyze and print. There is no print option and click on add and close it. Next, go to analysis. Go to run analysis. Save this project. Our system will be working. There is one error, so we have to rectify this error. First of all, what is the error? We have to see that. Here there is error of section properties, not error for the member 162. Okay, what is 162? I will say this. Okay, go back. There is a select option, the missing attributes, missing property. So we miss this property, we miss this cable property. Go to general option. For cables we have to use this. So all are okay. Here we have to miss this property. Okay, click on that. Assign. Click on S. System will be working on. Okay, here we have to assign this. Click on assign to selected beams. Assign. Click on S. Okay, our cables are selected. Next, go to analysis, no print option, add it and close it. Go to analysis, run analysis option, save this project. Okay, our error will be rectified. Then go to design. Here you have to select the concrete and go to select parameters. Here you have to select only FC, FMN, FSEC. So FC, FMN, FSEC. Click on OK. Go to define parameters. Here you have to give the compressive strength as 30,000. Click on add. FMN as 5 lakhs. Next we go to basic. This is also 5 lakhs. Click on add option and close it. So here we have to assign this. Click this. Assign to view. Assign. Click on S. Select this. Assign to view. Assign. S option. FSec also you have to assign to view. Assign. Yes. Click on S. So our design will be completed. Then again we go to analysis. Close. Yeah, there is no errors, only one warning. Okay, we can carry on. Okay, go to post processing mode for foundations. Click on OK. First, you have to see the bending moment like animations. Go to animations. Click on apply. Okay. Okay, this is our major principal stress and strains of bridge. That means here this is the values increasing and maximum and minimum values where the bridge accept maximum stress and strain. Okay, again go to plate option. Here you have to change the loads of strains or shear stress, whatever it may be. You have to see the variations on that and variations of the values. Click on apply. Okay. Okay, these are the shear stress, moment, whatever it may be. You have to see here. PL load. PL load. We have to see the shear force or moment. Okay, I have to see the moment in y direction. Okay, click on apply. Okay, these are the changes of shear. Okay, all shear force and bending moment all are seen. That means stresses and strains where it acted maximum and where it acted minimum. After that you have to go the foundation design. Include all. Run start foundation. Click on it. Our system will be complete the process. Okay, here there is options of loads and factors. Then go to generate load combination. Here we have the tables. We selected this as Indian. Update table. Generate load combinations. Click on OK. Update the table. Click on generate load combination. Click on OK. Okay. Next go to job setup. Create new job. Here I have to name this structure as bridge. This is isolated. Next. This is Indian. It will be SA. Next go to click on this down arrow mark. Create a job. Okay. Here our new option will be appeared. Design parameters. Design. Click on S. So our foundations will be completed. This is our foundation design. Footings, isolated footings, which type of footings we have to take in and which dimensions will be mandatory we should maintain. All these are shown here. Complete calculation and values will be appeared here. So our design will be completed. Print calculation. Here all the formulas and calculations will be maintained. Lastly, footings, which type of footings we have to use, which dimensions should be taken, which is mandatory. Okay, these are the isolated footing designs. Okay, step by step we have to complete the bridge which type of cables we have to take and which type of materials taken, all are explained in this video. Thank you.